Ariva, guys, currently trading at 0.00031 and currently ranked 772 on the list, guys. Market cap of $19.6 million. So this is a travel, vacation, tourism token, guys. So you're looking at traveling, look into it. But let's see what markets they're on. They're on Liquid, Hubi Global, Gate.io, Bittrex, MEXC, PancakeSwap, LBank, and on a lot of platforms, especially for a travel cryptocurrency. Let's go to their website, guys. So if you want to learn more about them, read their white paper, please check it out. I would highly recommend reading their white paper, going to their website before getting into part of this cryptocurrency. Learn more about their travel, about what they're a part of. We'll head strictly to their Twitter page, guys. 125,000 followers. They just posted off of 7 hours ago. Let's see. Too many Coinbase users keep asking us how to buy Ariva in the United States. Ariva is currently tradable on Coinbase wallet. Gas fees are a bit expensive, but we think it's worth it. Cool. Let's check out the charts, guys, for the
Eat, sleep, trade, repeat.
price prediction. Now we got this big giant sell-off, but it's fine. Let's see where we're at today. We are on the weekly. Let's head to the daily. Make it a little bit bigger. So on the daily, we haven't had that much action. Typically it went up a little bit. It's kind of like in the middle right now, but my head down lower. So if I was going to get this cryptocurrency, one, I would not trade it on any type of margin, leverage, any account like that. For me, if I was going to buy it, I would stair-step dollar cost average my way in, and the way it's heading down now, I would probably be buying within this zone right here. My first probably buy would be right here, because I'm looking at it. It means a new cryptocurrency. It might not be heading too low. This wick, the shadow is pretty big, indicating that prices went away from it. But I'll be possibly buying my first point right here if I was looking to get into this cryptocurrency. This zone right here. And if it head down any lower, this would be my only 2 entries. I mean, it's new. It's a tourism cryptocurrency. I don't see. I mean, it's not too volatile right now. It's still building up. We're gonna see how it is in a few months. I mean, it came out 2020 of January, so it's been about a little bit over a year, and it's still at the same price about as 1 year ago. So not too bad, guys. I mean, if this has a little bit some risk to it, for me, I wouldn't risk more than 2.5% of my account or 2% of my account. It's just too much for this. But this would be like, okay, I'm gonna throw some money at it. I'll do some hodl positions and see where it goes from there. But my price prediction, guys, if at all, if it does go up, I would probably have to go to this zone here, above that high, and it would be basically at 0.305. Price prediction, guys, 0.305. I might head down lower and pick up to this zone here. Well, guys, this is a simple analysis. I just simply, like, when it comes to trading, just mitigate your losses by using a small, don't risk that much when it comes to trading. For me, I don't risk that much at all. I might take a bunch of losses, but one big win, small losses, big win, small losses. And that's how I like to trade when it comes to cryptocurrencies. But any questions or comments, guys, let me know in the comment section below. We can have that conversation about Ariva. Let's get to my website. It's andremcclinton.com. If you want to learn more about indicators, custom indicators, you want me to create one, I can help. I can create one for you, or a trading bot if you want to talk about that. Other than that, guys, please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video.